Hello, dear students. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and taking a good care of yourself. Dear students, we are dealing with the chapter The Diary of Annie Frank. And here, Annie Frank tells us about her school days, about her childhood days, and also about her teacher. So, let us continue the story. I get along pretty well with all my teachers. Now, here Annie Frank tells us that she had a good relationship with her teachers. Friendly relationship. Get along means to establish friendly relationship with someone. And here she is talking about her teachers. मीन्स एनी का कहने का मतलब है कि उसके अपने टीचर्स के साथ में बहुत ही अच्छे संबंध थे. There are 9 of them. और वो कितने टीचर्स थे? 9. 7 men and 2 women. Mr. Casing, the old fogey who teaches maths. Now here she talks about Mr. Casing. Mr. Casing was her math teacher and he was old foggy. Foggy means an old-fashioned person. Okay, पुराने ख्यालों के इंसान. Who teaches math? Who annoyed me with me for ages because I talked so much. For ages means for years. Here she means to say that Mr. Casing used to be annoyed with her, angry with her because Annie used to talk so much in the classroom. After several warnings, he assigned me extra homework. And firstly, he gave her several warnings. Several means many warnings because एनी फ्रैंक वॉज अ टॉकेटिव गर्ल. तो मिस्टर केजिंग ने उसको बहुत सारी वार्निंग्स दी कि वो बात करना बंद करे क्लास में. और इसके लिए उसको क्या दिया? असाइंड हर एक्स्ट्रा होमवर्क. एन एसे ऑन द सब्जेक्ट अ चैटर बॉक्स. एंड व्हाट वाज द होमवर्क? होमवर्क में क्या था? एक ऐसे था, एक निबंध लिखना था उसको उसके सब्जेक्ट पे. अ चैटर बॉक्स. डू यू नो स्टूडेंट्स व्हाट अ चैटर बॉक्स मीन्स? एक चैटर बॉक्स मतलब ऐसा बॉक्स जो बहुत बातें करता हो. ठीक है. A chatterbox, what can you write about that? Now there is a question in her mind. A chatterbox पे अगर निबंध लिखना है तो वो उसके बारे में क्या लिख सकती है? I would worry about that later, I decided. And पहले तो उसको थोड़ा सा वरी हुई, कंसर्न हुई, थोड़ी सी चिंता हुई, लेकिन बाद में उसने डिसाइड कर लिया कि वो लिखेगी. I jotted down. Jotted means to write something quickly. So she jotted down the title in her notebook, tucked it in my bag, and tried to keep quiet. Okay. After writing the title, she kept the notebook in the bag and she kept quiet for a while. Okay. Now let's see what happens further. That evening, after I had finished the rest of my homework, the notebook about the essay caught my eye. Now she talks about the evening of that day when she was given the essay by Mr. Casing. उस शाम की बात करती है जब उसको निबंध दिया गया था लिखने के लिए उसके मैथ टीचर के द्वारा. एंड जब उसने अपना सब कुछ काम खत्म कर लिया, देन she saw that there was a note about the essay that she had to write. Caught my eye means she saw that she was given the assignment about writing the essay. I began thinking about the subject. Then she started thinking about the subject while chewing the tip of my fountain pen. Now it shows that she was in deep thought about the essay because she was chewing the tip of her fountain pen. Okay. Anyone could ramble on and leave big spaces between the words, but the trick was to come up with convincing arguments to prove the necessity of talking. Anyone could ramble on. Here she says that now she says that anyone could ramble on. Ramble on means write. Okay, ramble on is a phrasal verb which means to write and leave big spaces between the words. She means to say it is easy to write something. How? By leaving spaces, big spaces between the words. But the trick was to come with up. Come with up is also a phrasal verb which means to suggest something. Convincing arguments. To suggest convincing arguments means the arguments which you can use to make somebody understand something. Okay. To prove the necessity of talking. और यहाँ पे उसको क्या प्रूव करना था कि टॉक क्यों करना आवश्यक है. Because she was called talkative girl by Mr. Keesing and she was given the essay on the title A Chatterbox. तो उसमें लिखने के लिए उसको सोचना था कि क्योंकि उससे प्रूव करना था कि टॉक करने से कोई हार्म नहीं है. I thought and suddenly I had an idea. Now Annie tells us that she thought and then there was an idea. An idea struck in her mind. I wrote the 3 pages Mr. Keesing had assigned me and was satisfied. So she wrote 3 pages essay. What she was assigned by Mr. Keesing. I argued that talking is a student's trait. Trait means quality. She argued in her essay. उसने अपने essay में लिखा कि बात करना स्टूडेंट की एक खूबी होती है and that I would do my best to keep it under control. Also, she wrote that she will do her best to control herself from talking, but that I would never be able to cure myself of the habit since my mother talked as much as I did, if not more, and that there is not much you can do about inherited traits. She also wrote that but that I would never be able to cure myself about talking. उसने अपने लिए लिखा कि बट वो कभी भी अपने आप को बातें करने से नहीं रोक सकती है. क्यों? Because her mother was also talkative. क्योंकि उसकी मदर भी बहुत ज़्यादा बात किया करती थी. And this quality has been inherited. Inherited means that was her inborn quality taken from her mother due to heredity. Okay? And traits means qualities. So she wrote the essay about a chatterbox, convincing that talking is not bad and she cannot control herself because her mother was also talkative and that was talking was her inherited quality. So dear students, that's all for today and the rest text we will discuss in next class. Till then you enjoy. और अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आई हो तो प्लीज़ कमेंट इन द कमेंट बॉक्स. ओके, थैंक यू.